Want to describe your whole day in Spanish? These 10 reflexive verbs do exactly that. We'll go from waking up to sleep. Number 1, the verb for waking up.
Despertarse.
It means to wake oneself up.
Me despierto a las 7.
Number 2, the verb for getting up.
Levantarse.
It means to get yourself up.
Me levanto muy temprano hoy.
Number 3, the verb for showering.
Ducharse.
It means to shower oneself.
Me ducho antes del desayuno.
Number 4, the verb for dressing.
Vestirse.
It means to dress oneself.
Me visto para el trabajo.
Number 5, the verb for brushing.
Cepillarse.
Use it for teeth and hair.
Me cepillo los dientes ahora.
Number 6, the verb for sitting down.
Sentarse.
It means to seat oneself.
Me siento a comer tranquilo.
Number 7, the verb for hurrying.
Apurarse.
It means to rush oneself.
Me apuro para no llegar tarde.
Number 8, the verb for relaxing.
Relajarse.
It means to relax oneself.
Me relajo después del trabajo.
Number 9, the verb for lying down.
Acostarse.
It means to go to bed.
Me acuesto a las 11.
Number 10, the verb for falling asleep.
Dormirse.
It means to fall asleep yourself.
Me duermo viendo la televisión.
That's a full day from alarm to pillow, all reflexive.
Despertarse, levantarse, ducharse, vestirse, todo cepillarse, sentarse, apurarse, relajarse, acostarse, dormirse.
Describe your morning in the comments using these verbs. Next, the past tense so you can tell stories.